In front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is enabled. To disable it, tap on the same shortcut one more time. If you want to, you can also go into settings and scroll down to access location section over here. Then tap on this switcher at the top right corner to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!